What's going on, guys? It is your boy SMS Impulse here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a simple but modern sky building in Minecraft. Alright guys, I have not been on this world for quite a bit of time, you know. I have played it today because I just thought I should play it today, you know. I left this world for like a month. I only did half of this building, but now I feel like today's the day where I just need to complete it. So what I've done today is I've actually done the quartz blocks. I've done these quartz blocks, as you can see from here. I have placed 3 over 2 on each side, and then 1 obviously in the center to make give it the pointy corner. What I've done is I have placed down 1 row of quartz stairs, then I've placed quartz stairs upside down to give it that 2 block effect. And then I've placed the quartz stairs upside up again, then placed this quartz stairs upside down, and I've repeated that pattern to give it the 2 block effect and make it look really nice and complex. And then now if you proceed onto this part of the building, the center part here, this whole row here, this is 40 blocks. So if you go up 40 blocks, that will take you to the top here. And then I left a 6 block gap in between, obviously 6 blocks up here, and then went down 40 blocks again in order to do the center. Placed down 4 iron doors. Here I've placed 7 stone brick slabs, normal stone slabs, and then I've went across, gone back down, and then after that you just proceed to leave 1 gap, place stone slabs, leave a gap, place stone slabs, and complete that pattern until you reach the very top of the building. Now the next part I want to delegate and go over is now the edge part. So for this I went out 11 blocks from the front views and the back views. However, from the side views I've went out 13 blocks, and as you guys can see, I've left a gap here. So all of this is 13, then all of this is 11. So just one more time I want to say it, guys: 11, 13. Replicate the exact same thing for the back. Replicate the exact same pattern. There should be a 17 block gap between this and that. There should be a 17 block gap, 17, 18 roughly. Even if it's 1 block difference, it doesn't exactly matter as long as you've got it even on both sides. And now for the ceiling, I just thought that dark oak blocks would be the best blocks to use, because I don't know why they just go so well with concrete and quartz. I don't know why they do. It's just such a good combination. I would highly recommend that you use this block for your ceiling, and when you are actually doing your floors, I would highly recommend that you leave about this much of a gap. Again, you don't have to do it like this if you don't want to. I'm just recommending that you do this because I believe that this would actually be the sweet spot for every single hotel room. But if you guys don't want to do it that way, then that's fine. So again, guys, floors, leave 1 block, do it. Leave 1 block, do it. Leave 1 block, and then again. So this is all a floor, and then obviously this right here is the ceiling. Let me just do it all the way to the top, just so that I don't confuse any of you guys. Okay guys, so yeah, if you're gonna do this, okay, start roughly from here. This is where you guys want to start from. After that, don't go down anymore. So don't go up anymore, I mean. So you actually want to start your thing from here. This is the top floor, and then this is the second to top floor right here. Break that, you don't need that, and then just keep going down. I think you guys get the gist anyway. But I mean, yeah guys, that is basically it for the tutorial. Apologies that I did not build it along with you guys, but I feel like with the steps that I've given you guys, I feel like it will be very easy for you guys to catch on. So just remember, 40 blocks up, leave a 6 block gap here, 40 blocks up, connect it at the top, 11 blocks from the front and back view. From the side view go out 13 blocks. Make sure there's a 17 block gap between this side and the other side. And what I want you guys to do is I actually want you to leave a comment on what tutorial you want me to do next. Any tutorial, just leave it down in the comments, because I want to do content that is going to make you guys happy, not only content that I want to do. So this has been your boy SMS, and I'm out. Yeah, guys, and one more thing, when you fill in your gaps, make sure you're using glass pane. Make sure your glass actually goes make sure your glass isn't like this. Make sure that it actually touches the concrete and is right next to the stone brick slabs. And then when you get to this point here, you don't need to fill that part in. That part, you just leave it when you do the side. Build that all the way out there. And that should be pretty straightforward, guys. So just do this throughout the entire building. And then, obviously, just fill in that top with dark oak, and you should have yourself a nice simple modern building. It has been your boy SMS Impulse for real, and now I'm out.